Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to how to draw and color weather icons so easily. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a sunny weather icon, starting with a circle like this. I continue to draw a cute face for the sun. Then I draw sunlight. Next to it, I draw a thunder icon, starting with a cloud. Then I draw lightning. The thunder icon has an angry face like this. Next to it, I draw a night sky icon with a crescent moon and stars. Then, I draw a windy icon. Finally, I draw a rainy icon. It was a weeping cloud. Because the clouds cried, it rained. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use yellow to paint this sun. Then I color this cloud gray. And color this lighting yellow. For this moon and stars, I use yellow too. Sky blue for this cloud like this. Finally, I use dark blue to paint a rainy icon. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.